All right, so we have the tractor down at camp from this morning. John and I finally found a taker for that 5-foot dragon. 400-pound cement dragon is now gone. And the sea serpent that's down at the lake there came in 3 pieces, all cement, probably about 150 pounds a piece. Loaded up all those in my truck this morning and dropped them off with my neighbor's daughter's husband wanted them. So after we dropped those off, we went to town and got bunch of cinder blocks for another project to raise the camper up a bit. But more importantly, we got a bunch of plywood here, and this will be for building a chicken coop probably on Monday or Tuesday. But now, since we've got the tractor down at camp, we cleared some junk from the junk pile through here, and we're going to take it down to the lake where the spring feeds the north side of the lake. We have to fell a few trees here, and I'm going to be driving over my water hoses, so we're going to put 2x4s on both sides of the hose, rope them together so that I don't crush these water hoses. But we'll be chopping down this tree and this little tree here with the chainsaw. This one that is in the way. This one. This dead looking one here. And our goal is to come down here. We're at the northwest part of the lake. You can see the lake level used to come up here. It's at its lowest point now towards the end of summer. But over here we have some clean water coming from a spring there and a spring there. So our plan is to back the tractor down here after clearing some trees with the chainsaw and use the backhoe to dig out this, build up this, and just put a tarp in that will hold this clean spring water, and then I'll pump that up to my water holding tank instead of from this mushy part of the pond over here. So that's the project we're going to work on now. Got to set up some stationary cameras, and I have a headset camera that my friend John brought for me. So we'll probably be wearing that and try to get different angles of the work we're about to do. So that's what we're working on now, and I'll start recording once I'm
that way. Why not that way?
Because you want to go where it's leaning.
Timber!
All right, we got the tractor down the hill after we chainsawed some trees, and now I'm getting ready to put out the outriggers, pull out my tractor safety pins, and then we'll be ready to dig a little bit with the tractor backhoe.
Under the boughs where the shadows play, the wind hums songs at the break of day. Whispering pines, secrets untold, carrying tales only the forest holds. Moonlight spills through the velvet dark, etching patterns, leaving its mark. The roots stretch deep, the earth's gentle sigh, a lullaby sung to the open sky. Oh, whispering pines, sing me your tune, caught in the rhythm of the stars and the moon. Teach me the language of rustling leaves, stories that linger on the breath of the breeze. The dawn paints gold on the mountain's crown, while rivers whisper truth as they flow down. And their songs entwine with the trees that stand, knotted in time by nature's hand. Each echoing step on the forest floor opens a world through an ancient door. The silence alive, yet brimming with sound. In the arms of solitude, I am found. Oh, whispering pines, sing me your tune, caught in the rhythm, the stars and the moon. Teach me the language of rustling leaves, stories that linger on the breath of the breeze.
This is the spring holding pond that my friend John helped me build. I've got a bunch of video I still need to edit and put together for it, but we got this put in. This is all capturing spring water,